Hi, yeah, this is Param. How about this is the last category in the specialized query, okay, in the query TSL of Elasticsearch, okay. So, in this thing we are going to talk about the rank features. Mm. What is the usage of rank feature is, what is that? See, basically, if the rank features are there, rank feature is a field type, okay. If rank feature is a, first we should know that rank feature is a field types, okay. They are using the document ranking types, okay. So rank feature and rank features, it is just multiple, okay. Just more than one rank features can be there, okay. Okay, so what is now? We should have the field in a document of index, okay. We can have one or more field that belongs to rank feature types. Okay, obviously it is going to have some numerical values. Okay, let me go here. Yeah, sorry. Obviously it going to have some numerical values. Okay, based on that numerical values, it increase the score values of the return document. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, we know the importance of scoring in the response. Okay, so based on the scoring only the documents in the top of the result set. So though the searching criteria there is 10,000 of documents, we want to make sure which document should be in the top, right? Or first 10 or first, yeah, which document should be in the first 10. Even in the Google search, okay, in the Google search they will find minimum 1 lakh document, but in the first page they will display the first page, the very important document or very more relevance, right? Similarly, so the more the relevant score is very important in any search query, okay. So obviously based on the relevant score the document will be displayed at the top, okay. So that is the intention, okay, that is the intention, okay, okay. So if we want say few of the documents, say let's say so it's a top query, right, just in a pinned query. What we have to do in pinned query, very simple, we identify some of the IDs or we identify some of the documents, okay, in some of the index. Okay, whenever you do query on those things, okay, always those documents should be in the top. Okay, that is what pinned query. That is what in the pinned query, right? Similarly, here we can have field that belongs to the rank features or rank feature. Okay, so in that we can assign some any random numerical values. Okay, I will show the demo. Where is Postman? Yeah, okay. Here okay, this is what this is your own sample index, okay. So here I have the one page rank, URL length, topics, okay. All these types are rank feature, this is rank feature, then this is rank feature, it can have more than one values, okay. And the positive score impact, okay, so it is used for the in the linear, okay, it is used for the, so this can be value true or false, okay. So how the value is taken, how the rank feature value is going to reuse, is it actual value or is going to be 1 by divided by that values, okay, that's what, okay. If it is false, it's actual value, if it's true, then it will divide 1 by 1 divided by actual the value given in the rank features, okay. That is what. So this is what the index, here we have the fields that is belongs to rank feature or rank features, okay. That is very clear, first steps. Second steps, we are going to ingest the document. You can see here, right, this is actual value, these two fields has actual value of the business data, okay. Here you can see the ranking value also inside of that document, inside of the value document. So obviously you can see this number, it's a numerical value, okay, it's a numerical value. Whenever you run the query, okay, whenever you run the query against this document, if this document is matched, okay, the scoring, how the scoring for this document is calculated based on the value of this field. Since purpose of this field somehow to increase or decrease or modify the scoring value, okay, right. Okay. Similarly, I have ingested a few more documents, okay. See here we can have many in features, we can have many one, okay. Further we can give the different values based on our use case, based on our requirement, okay, right, which you see very simple. See in this case, in the formula one I have to give more values, okay. Normal suppose I have to give, but if it is Brazil I have to give only 20. So it's my business case, okay, how I want to give. how I want to give. So those document has to be how I am see very simple. I in the response it is my in the response it's my in the response of the sorry the result set of document. Okay, it's my responsibility to what are the document should be in the top, so that I can attract more customer, right? So I know the business, so I want to attract more customer. So that's why I can decide what is the value I have to be. So assume that, so we have here we have index, in that index we have ingested 3 documents, okay, along with the business data, okay, as well as some of the rank features value. So rank features are numerical value, okay, right. Now I am going to query, okay, now I am going to query, okay, now I am going to query. So here most the technical information what is, so most of the times the rank feature query will be in the should class. Most of the times the rank feature will be in the should class, okay, or 100%, okay, it is should class only. So here we are sending one search query, okay, that has boolean query, okay, we are checking, we want to match the content to the 2016, okay. So obviously all of these three documents will be matched, okay, in my case, okay. Now I am telling you that what are the ranking features, rank feature has to be used. So rank feature, okay, is a field, okay, it has to have a field. So I can say that what is the field, field names in the particular document. Similarly another rank features for your length, your then, okay, then rank features at the top for topic something, okay, okay, boost 0 from 4, oh, okay. Now we have seen that we have given that rank feature is a block, okay. In that we will say that we have said that field. What is a field, okay? Okay. Now based on the type, based on the ranking types, okay, it will impact how the ranking value is calculated, okay. So that I have to go there here in documentation. I think let me whether I have here specified or not. Yeah, here we can set here, okay. So field, let me add field, okay, boost, okay, these two only, right? Field, boost, then function name, and then I'll delete this stuff, sorry, okay, okay, fine. So in that we have matched, we are matching the document by this match query, okay. Then we are increasing or decreasing the we are calculating the score value by this should class, okay, by this should class, okay. That is what exactly technically we are doing, okay. So here we can say we have not specified anything which method has to use. If nothing has been specified, by default it use what, saturation, okay, saturation method will be used, okay. Similarly there are 3 more methods are there, okay. You can see logarithm, sigmoid, linear, okay, okay. So how this given value is utilized, okay, how these rank feature field values utilized is depend on the function, okay, which is depend on which function we have used. If it is linear functions, okay, so here we can see that I have given this is the field values, saturation function, I give the pivot values, okay, okay. So this is the values I have given. So using this value, it has to calculate the score, right, on a matching document. How that I will go to the document, okay. Because each document has separate formulas. That's why, okay, I can't remember all those stuff. That's why I want to walk the better walk through, okay. Sorry, if S divided by S plus pivot, pivot is the value which we give in the query, okay. So so S is the value from the actual field. What is the actual field? Where is the elastics? Here. So here in the page rank, okay, I'm just matching the query. I'm just matching the query. The page rank is 50.3, I think, yes, okay, in 50.3 only, I guess. Yeah, it's 50.3, okay. This is this value is used as a yes, okay, and whatever the values are send in the get query is here 8, okay, that is used in the pivot value. Let me go to the document, okay. Okay, using that it is calculate the values, okay. Okay, so what is now the scoring should be 0 to 1, okay. Saturation score should be always 0 to 1, okay. it should not go. Okay, how it is now? Okay, if the pivot values, okay, if the pivot sorry, if they have s values from the document, okay, s values, if it is less than the pivot value, by pivot value we are here, we are giving, okay, if the s value is less than the pivot value, okay, it will be 0.0 something, okay, less than the 0.05, okay, if it is greater than then it will be 0.5 otherwise, okay. So, by this pivot value you can identify whether the calculated saturation going to be above 0.5 or below 0.5, that is what they are saying, okay, nothing but. So, you can give without pivot value also. So, if it is the case, the pivot value is calculated by the document, by the approximation geometric mean, that is what they are saying, okay. So, it is calculated automatically, okay. Then logarithms. Okay, whenever you have the, see, if the here the score can be negative, but if you feel your score will be always positive, then you can use logarithms. Okay, if the scoring is always positive, okay, okay, positive score, then you can use the logarithms. Okay, this is again here we are using scaling factors. Okay, this is the function. Okay, here instead of pivot we are giving the scaling factor. Okay, this is the formulas they are applying. Okay. So, S is the document, S is the value of in the document, right. So, scaling factor is specified here, okay. Then it will do the log values, or then obviously in this case we will get positive value, okay. Sigmoid, okay, sigmoid is again it's just advanced version of saturation. Sigmoid is advanced version of saturation, okay. So, what is that? They are giving, they are calculating exponent value, okay, exponent value, okay, that is what. Sorry, exponent values, okay, here we can see here. So, this is the page rank, of course page rank has a type of feature, rank feature, okay. So, it has a 50.3, okay, that is the value, say S here, okay, that is the value here, this is the formula, okay, this is the formula, okay. So, here we are giving the pivot value here, okay, and the exponent value here, okay. So, based on that it calculate using this formula. So, obviously S from the document, exponent from the search query, then what, pivot from the search query, okay. So, by applying this formula, then it will identify the score, okay. But what they are saying is the exponent value na, so which exponent value should be good for your things. So, it has to be experiment, okay, by we can do training, okay. That is what they are saying. So, you can trial and error method, okay. If you feel, I mean, to get the better score, you have to try different value in this in the exponent, okay. Or if you are not interested in that, then you should go for saturation. That is what recommendation. Previous method. The final one, okay. The final one is linear, of course. Sorry. If the final one is linear, okay, here you can see that and the score value is equal to S, okay, equal to S. That means what, the equals, let us say S comes from the document, okay, X comes from the document. Let us say in my case 50.3, okay, S values come from the document. In this case, what the scoring value almost nearing to the 50.3, that is what they are saying, that is what linear, okay. That is what linear, okay. This is the of course, it does not have any parameters, okay. You can give that, you can get the rank value, okay. So, these are the methods which is used to these are the methods which use the rank value, which is which is placed, which is stored in the document, okay, the document. Using that value stored in the rank feature document, rank feature field value, okay, it apply the formula based on the type of the function we are using. So, obviously there are 4 functions, okay. So, by default one has saturations, okay. So, logarithms, if you want only positive value, then you can select the logarithms. If you want to use the simplest one, you can saturation. If you want advanced version of the exponent, then you can sigmoid. Linear, it is almost equal to the values, it is almost equal to the feature rank value, that means the value comes from the document. Okay, so obviously what is so the purpose of the rank feature is to change the rank value or increase the rank value constantly based on the input, okay, based on the input. That's what you can see. That's what this I have seen somewhere. So we have to go for rank feature if you are having statically statistically scoring feature calculation. See here, here we are not bothering about the how it is matched. Okay, how it is matched. The scoring is impact. The whatever the scoring value comes from the document is it's completely ignored. Let me repeat. The scoring value comes from the document is completely ignored. Okay. So if there is a given text, let's say here I have given 2016, if it is matched 2 to 3 times, then accordingly the document score value will be vary, right? But you ignore all the stuff, okay? You calculate the rank value based on my stuff, okay? Based on my rank feature column and based on my rank feature method, okay? Based on that, you just calculate the ranking, scoring of the document, okay? That's all about this. Rank features. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, if you like the content, please like my video, leave your comment, subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Thank you.